Hey everyone, we have a set of TL Type S calipers finished up today. These are spec'd for Acura RSX fitment. These are new calipers that are modified to fit your Honda or Acura chassis. We include all brand new hardware, caliper bolts, pad pins, and clips. These two machined shims that you'll need. And you can add powder coating if you want. This customer went with a seafoam green, so very easy bolt-on installation. Rotors and pads are not included, but you just buy TL Type S specification parts and you're ready to bolt these onto your car. If you want to order these, go to our website, VisionAutoworks.com. We sell the Caliper Kit and you'll get everything you see here. Powder coating is optional, but highly recommended. If you have any further questions, you can reach us by phone or email. Our contact information is on our website.